In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Banner to Wix website 2026 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, eye-catching banner to your site and style it so it looks great on desktop and mobile. First, open your site in Wix Studio. This takes you into the visual editor where you can work directly on your pages. Make sure you're on the page or section where you want the banner to appear, such as your homepage hero area or a promotion strip. On the left side of the editor, click the media icon. This opens the Media Manager, your hub for images, videos, and graphics. Think of it as your library. Everything you've uploaded, plus a large collection of ready-to-use media. Here you can choose media from Wix or upload your own. If you're browsing Wix's library, you'll find free images, videos, and vectors. Use the search bar and filters to find something that matches your brand and message. If you prefer a custom look, upload from your computer or cloud drive. For banners, aim for wide, high-quality files. Landscape orientation, ideally around full-width desktop sizes, while keeping file sizes optimized for fast loading. Always verify usage rights for any stock media you didn't create yourself. Once you've found the right asset, select it and add it to your page. You can insert it as an image element that you place inside a section, or set it as the background of a section or header for a full-width hero look. If you're replacing an existing background, use the Change Background option, then apply your chosen image or video. Now customize the banner so it fits perfectly. Resize and position it using the drag handles and alignment guides for precise spacing. If the subject isn't centered, adjust the crop or focal point so the most important part stays visible across screen sizes. For text readability, consider adding a subtle overlay color or lowering the media's brightness. Then place your headline, subheading, and a clear call to action button on top. You can edit fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand. If you're using a video banner, trim its length, mute audio for a cleaner experience, and set it to loop if needed. Add a link to your button or the banner element to drive visitors to a product, sign-up, or featured page. Finally, switch to the mobile view in the editor and fine-tune spacing, text size, and focal point, so everything remains legible on smaller screens. When you're happy with the result, you're all set. Your new banner is in place and ready to impress.